Hi guys, Florette here with inkon3. I'm super excited. I have a brand new mini Misty to share with you, and I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing video so you can see how it comes and all the goodies that are inside. It's by far the best stamping tool on the market, and of course it's the original and my favorite. So let's get started. So here we have the box that it comes in. It comes in this nice box here. I of course took the label off and I already cut this open. You're going to open it up. It's really nicely packed. You've got this great packing paper. I always save this stuff and use it for other things. And then you have your Misty in this beautiful box, and you have a packing slip. So let's open the actual Misty box and see what it looks like. I love my old mini Misty, so I was really excited to get the new one. I think it's great if you can have more than one Misty, because then you can have different stamps and different Misties and, you know, do multiple cards. So there's a lot of uses for having multiples, or if you just can only have one, you're going to love it. It's the most amazing stamping tool you will use for sure. But you have all these instructions on the back. So it's really great packaging, and it's just really pretty. And I'm going to set that aside. And then you can see it's really protected well because it's got another taped box here. And I already cut those so you can see. And you're going to open that. And once you get here, you also have a plastic sheet to protect the front of your Misty so it doesn't get scratched or anything. Look at the new Misty. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at, you've got metal hinges now. They were a little different before. It's the top is etched, and it's just really smooth to open and close. And then you've got a nice little paper pad in here with a grid that you can use. And then you're like, where is the magnet? So if you lift up this piece of foam here, because you know you can take this foam in and out, right under there you will find your magnet. And I love this because it says My Sweet Petunia right on the magnet too. So you got your magnet, you've got your foam, and then you have some grid paper to use. So everything you need is right in here, and it's got a nice foam on the back, so when you stamp you always get really nice crisp clear images. So you can also see it has these nice beveled edges around the corners. And then the ruler is also not stickers. It's actually a piece in here, and it's all really nice and pretty. So I think you're going to absolutely love this new Misty. It also comes, the new Misty is also in the original size too. It's just a great tool. And what's great for the mini Misty, if you already have the original size, the mini Misty is great because it's really fantastic for bringing with you when you travel because of its size. It's also great for video, YouTube. So if you're someone who does YouTube videos, you can see it can open and close really easily on camera. When you have the other sizes, it's a little bigger. So it's a lot of fun to use the mini Misty. So I hope you enjoyed this unpacking video. If you see some of our other videos, you'll see how we use it. You'll see it basically used in every video we have. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button for all kinds of great content where we're making cards, we're using the Misty, we're using inks and stamps and all that fun stuff. So I hope you have a great day, and see you next time. Bye-bye.